your girl Forever Late, back with another video. And today I'm experimenting. Honestly, I've never tried this before. We'll be using vitamin C tablets, 1,000 milligrams, and dry scalp care head and shoulders, or any generic dry scalp type of shampoo. So I'm about to show y'all what to do over here. Vitamin C treatment. I left it in for an hour. As you can see, it really lifted that color out, but it also made like the pink brighter kind of, but lighter at the same time. Like I can't really describe it, but my hair is like a brownish, blondish, lighty pinkish now. So I'm gonna do this method until it's blonde. Hopefully it'll work. Fingers crossed. So this is the results after the second vitamin C treatment. There's still tones of pink in there. It's like an orangey, brownie, wants to be blonde but not blonde color. So I'm gonna keep doing it because it doesn't feel damaging to my hair, and it's not supposed to be. It's, you know, natural ingredients besides like the shampoo and the things that the shampoo has in it. But other than that, my curl is still popping. Let's go in for round 3. I'll be back. Y'all, so third time it really lightened up. But this pink is still there. Like, it's too pink right up in here and underneath of here. And I'm getting tired of doing this. So it's clear that this method works. It's just time consuming. So I'm gonna conclude this video right here. I may or may not try to do this again because I'm getting tired of it, and I might just try to rock this little yellow blonde strawberry shortcake looking color. But yeah, so it works. It's just how many times do you have to do it to get the color that you want is the question. But I'm running out. So take a good look. And I'm mad, like the black color got out before this color. Like, why the freak is this color not coming out? Like, don't make no sense. But my hair, it doesn't feel too dry. It feels, you know, just like, you know, shampoo strips your hair from the oils and dirt and all that good stuff. So of course it's gonna feel some type of dry, but it's not extremely dry as it would have been if I used an actual color removal, a chemically treated chemically treated color remover. I would say do this method when you want to go ahead and put a dye right over top of it, because right now it's light enough for me to put something over top of it and it will cancel out this pink. But my plan was to just wear it blonde, so I might have to change my plan up now because I'm really trying to be more natural with my hair, and I'm not trying to strip it of its color anymore. So as you see my new growth, the goal is to grow all of this out so my true curl pattern can come back, my true texture. my hair has been manipulated multiple times, so it's like not at its true state, and I want it to be at its true state, and I want it to grow. So I got more videos. It's pretty long though. I got more videos coming soon, and yeah, I'm pretty satisfied just because I don't have to put no chemicals in my hair. Like, this is natural vitamin C and shampoo, dry scalp shampoo. But stay tuned for more videos, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up. Tell me what y'all want to see next, and